Welcome to one of the planet's weirdest natural wonders. This isn't your typical volcano. This is an ice volcano. Ice volcanoes, also known as cryovolcanoes, are a unique phenomenon. Instead of molten rock, these fascinating structures spew ice and cold gases. They can be found on Earth, but they're more common on icy moons and distant planets. On Earth, they're often formed by pressurized water from underground springs. When this water erupts, it freezes instantly, creating a spectacle of ice and snow. Ice volcanoes are a testament to the strange and beautiful complexities of our natural world. So next time you think of volcanoes, remember, not all of them are hot. The world is full of wonders, and the ice volcano is one not to be missed.